Hi everyone, I'm here with a layout. I did 4 in the past 2-3 days. Yeah, and yesterday was a rainy day, which was the 15th of June, which is a Tuesday, and so I spent it inside doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I rearranged and tidied up my scrap room, and then I did some scrapbooking. And if you hear banging, my roof is being redone, so I apologize for all the noise. So this is a die cut Hip Kit Club's cut file. So I'm going to I thought I was recording when I did the mixed media, when I did the watercoloring to my background, but then I wasn't not, so I'm going to do some of the watercoloring on the hearts. I was going to not put those back in the space, but I decided to watercolor, and it'll match my background that I also did the same to. And I'm using the same colors that I did on my background. Goodness. They're like right over me right now. So I can hear them banging right where I'm at. So. Alright, so this is my last one. See, and there's my background. I'm going to use another cut file, that one right there, and that one is going to house my title. Oh, I decided that there's some cutouts that on the die cut that I realized, oh, I need to watercolor further to the top. So I do. So it shows through. So I'm going to glue this down, and then I'm going to glue my hearts. So now I'm going to put down my die cuts around the circle. And those are Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt die cuts for the February kit. I was going to try to use that Hugs and Kisses that is actually a cut file, but I don't. I was going to try to maybe do a small title, but yeah, no. And that Special Kind of Love that I did from the cut file as well. I'm just going to try to use it on here, but it just didn't look right. So I'm actually going to use letter stickers, alpha stickers, to make the title. And I'm going to keep it Special Kind of Love. I don't know where my other two kitty cats are at. They're somewhere around. They're scared of the banging. They disappear. I don't see them until the roofers leave at 5-ish. So I think I went to let Coco out and forgot to stop the recording. So I do apologize for that. I took off. And my goodness. There's that noise outside my window. Yeah, so. Oh, I went to get more coffee. So I'm going to try to figure out what else I can use. So I'm even going to be doing the video. I did this one on Monday, these two yesterday, and this one this morning. So these will be like my most recent videos. So I'm just trying to use some of the die cuts there with the title. Ends up not working out. I'm gonna go check and see. They were one side on the roof on the front. Sorry, they laid down the paper and they're taking off the shingles on the other side in the front, like over the garage and dining room and kitchen. Yeah. Alright, so now time to do the title. Alright, so special is Paintbrush Studios Some Days Puppy Elephant stickers that came in the kit. Kind of is American Crafts Chill Thickers, which is from a past kit. And Love is Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Wishes chipboard alphabet stickers. Holiday Wishes, I want to say that was either December or January's kit. No, it wouldn't be January. It's only November or December's kit. And then here's these chill thickers are from a very past kit. And here's Patton. He's making his appearance. He's gonna leave here shortly, so I do apologize. I was trying to use that love, but it was not going to work. Or maybe those weren't from this year, holiday wishes. I want to say those were, because they're blue with gold on them. And once I put my title down, figure out how I want it to go, then that is all I do. I didn't do any splatters because I did that using the watercolors. So just have to get my title down, and that is it. So, and that doesn't take me too terribly long. But I am adding glue because they don't like to stick the best. The foam one sticks fine, but the others not so much. And they just don't look straight to me, so I have to fix them. Anyway, so that concludes my layout. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.